Oh yeah. Yeah, no, this is it. It's this way. It makes me wonder what the hell's up there. Oh, you know what?
What are you doing? That's your small hardwood?
Yeah.
Hey.
I was at my job this morning. I saw you guys biking. I was right there when you started walking up.
This is the first time we've gone up this way.
Yeah. It's not so bad to come up here. Like almost no one uses this train.
That's good to know.
It goes down here also.
Oh.
And then, wow, there's like so many cutoffs.
Huh. Oh, what is that?
What's what?
This little rock bridge.
Oh yeah.
Very nice and terrifying.
Did you build this?
Yeah.
Holy crap, really?
Yeah.
Holy fuck.
That's insane.
That's a lot of work. Oh, and there's there's
I believe it.
waterways, channels.
That's awesome.
He's like a beaver.
Yeah, look over there to the left. There's a bunch of
Yep. That looks so good. You know how heavy those stones are? It's like 80 pounds for one of those. Probably more. Wheelbarrow. Oh fuck, nice jump. I wonder if I can do this. Is it like 10, 11, 12 inches? This would be good for me to try. What? Not yet. Huh?
You seen the 15-foot drop over there?
No.
It's the boulder after this little wall thing. You roll down this rock with your seat all the way down. And then the cliff like the left. Straight. Like on the left side of that big tree.
Right there?
It's gotta be 15 feet. There's a bird. I raked out the bottom line. It is absolutely insane.
It's a nice drop there. So that's about 12 feet, and there's the lip of the landing right there.
How big is that?
12 feet. 12 feet. That's nuts. High risk. Yeah, I can't tell if he'd be able to get a really good run up. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh boy, you'd have to fucking send it. That's a sender.
It's like gotta be the biggest drop in the city.
Probably.
Oh, that's high risk.
Like I've seen the other drops.
Have you tried it?
No, like down the raw,
Yeah.
your seat's all the way down. Like,
You can't go slow.
whoa.
No, it can't go slow. It kind of, there's like a vertical part right down there.
I can roll down it on a dirt jumper.
Oh yeah.
You can roll down it on my fat bike or on my dirt jumper. Your butt is like,
Way back.
your arms are like Superman.
Yeah.
Your butt is like this.
I wonder what would happen when the front wheel gets to right there. Does the bike just go bloop?
No. Even on my dirt jumper, which is like, jumper's like, called like it's a safe bike. Like it's not break down.
Yeah.
I can do it on my fat bike. It has no front force. Like,
Easier to roll it like there, maybe.
expensive ones and then a lot of
I worry about the back tire kind of going like this, but probably won't happen with the seat down.
no, your seat's gotta be low.
Yeah.
Low.
That's crazy, the drop over there. The landing is like so far.
Look at it or just watching the video?
You probably can't tell from the video how steep it is, but if you go up there, it's just so far from the lip of the landing.
It's gigantic. Like I want to fill the hole with like a wooden thing.
Yeah.
Fill the hole with a wooden thing that's like up the rock a bit.
Yeah.
But then you need to beat posts into the ground. You need screws. You need a power drill. And then even then, I think the dirt's too far down. Needs dirt. That's why I like started collecting stones and branches over there. But
You need a fuck ton of dirt to cover that up.
I don't think there's anyone who like wants to do that kind of big stuff anyways.
Yeah.
It's nice to think about. But like the jump on the left there's fun enough.
Yeah. I don't think I'd ever try that on any bike. It's just too much.
It's bigger than like the drops on all the other double black trails or whatever you want to call them, red, orange, pro trails, whatever. It's bigger than all of those
Yeah.
on the map.
I want to try rockabilly next. We tried berms. We tried tongues out. Rockabilly it looks so fun when it gets down to that steep concrete wall.
Yeah, you just you got to keep all your weight in your pedals with your seat down.
Yeah.
You gotta Superman butt that thing so your arms are forward and you're like
Yeah.
pushing your bike forward a lot.
Yeah.
My seat always turns to the right.
Want some?
No.
Yeah, I had a back to work meeting and I needed it. I'm so tired.
Snowbirds are out today. The airplane team
Oh,
at 6 p.m. at the waterfront.
I was at one of the shows this year.
Yeah, June 4th.
Yeah,
Nice line choices here.
like you can. The ones on the outside aren't too bad at all. It's just you don't get that much speed.
Yeah.
Like for the one in the middle, if you tap your brakes, you don't. It's fine. You can't tap your brakes for the one in the middle.
This one.
You'll kind of land too short if you tap your brakes for the one in the middle.
Yeah, you got to be flying to go down off that. think I want to try this one.
The ones on the outside are like perfect practice jumps. Like, the ones on the outside, like that one, you know, like the landing's so close to you, you
won't case it.
Yeah, it's as small as it gets for. There's nothing to get hurt on. It's perfect. The one in the middle though, like once you pass, you're like starting there. Like you just start rolling. You just roll, but you can't like tap your brakes. You'll land like your back tire is so close to landing on the wall that holds the jump up.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Yeah. It's really fun though, like, once you get to it. Something's digging up the little animal. Yeah, like it's like perfect. You just roll into it. You just roll, you go left to there, you start left here or there. And then the jump on the right, like you don't even have to try to get air and it'll be like so good practice. It's such a good practice jump. It's near like it's not in the middle of the forest like all the other jumps.
I still gotta work up to stuff like that. Just get a little more seat time on smaller things. I'm worried about my feet flying off the pedals when I'm in the air, because that happened one time.
Oh yeah, it's all about like positioning.
They should, if they come up off the pedals, they should fall right back onto the pedals. But I'm paranoid that my feet will like move a little too much in the air.
It's a learning thing. Like I have like so many different pairs of skateboard shoes.
Yeah.
And like what I found is skateboard shoes was soft, rubber, stick to the pins better. I have like hard, like to wear skateboard BMX shoes.
Right.
Softer ones kind of stick to your pins
Yeah.
a little better. I saw some people, a bunch of bike racks on this already.
Yeah.
Before it was built up, like I land at that stone.
Oh my god.
So it's like some of the jumps, as long as you just don't touch your brakes and really stick the turn, like now I'm pretty sure like I'll land further than it.
Yeah.
It's not big, like you don't even need to make them big in some of these forests to go far.
Yeah.
Probably see you around. Yeah? Probably will too.
Oh shit. Stand up.
It didn't click into first.
Oh. Yeah, sometimes when my shifter lags. First gear. Oh my God. Oh, too much leg burn. Yeah. Yeah, right here. Break time.